Hi, Namaskar. I am Bhabanisankar Jena from Baleshwar, Odisha. First, I welcome you all to my third video lecture of digital image processing. In my first video lecture, we started first of all with the introduction to digital image processing, where we are going to familiarize each and every aspects of digital image processing and its details. And the first topic is followed by the next or the second one, where we covered fundamental steps in digital image processing. Now it's time to discuss the third topic, which is named as components of digital image processing. These components of digital image processing were very costly in a very long time before. Approximately in 1980s, not 1980s exactly, in the mid 1980s, what happened at that moment? At that time, the scenario was a large number of digital image processing systems were sold throughout the world, but the modules of digital image processing system were substantial peripheral devices attached to equally substantial host computers. That's why it includes very high cost. After this time, in the late 1980s and in the early 1990s, at that time what happened? The digital image processing hardwares were in a single board. Digital image processing hardware were in a single board designed to be compatible personal computer. Okay, it also includes high cost. In addition to lowering the cost, a significant number of new companies served as catalyst for the development of software, softwares written specifically for digital image processing system. Nowadays, these digital image processing systems are sold in a large number for massive imaging applications. That may be satellite imaging, various applications of there. Applications are widely used. Okay, so for this reason, nowadays reduction in cost occurs, as well as miniaturization occurs, and also application specific system occurs. These three things are occur nowadays. What is this? First one is reduction in cost. Second one is miniaturization. Third one is application specific system. Okay, reduction in cost means the cost is reduced nowadays. Similarly, miniaturization means size has reduced but the performance have become increased. Miniaturization means size reduced, performance increased. Application specific systems means systems have become more application specific to the work. Okay, so now we will discuss the exact components of digital image processing system. The very first component is image sensor. Image sensor sense the energy reflected by the objects which is to be picturized or which is to be clicked. Okay, this image sensor, this is the very important aspects of digital image processing system to start with. That's why this is called a first block of image sensor. This is also known as imager. What is an imager? or image sensor. This is an electronic device which converts optical image into electronic signal. It converts optical image into electronic signal. Okay, let me explain how it is. To capture an image, we need a camera, or that may be your digital camera, or that may be your camera which is inside your mobile phone. Suppose I want to capture the image of this whiteboard marker. So to capture this image, I have a mobile phone camera. This is my mobile phone camera. For this camera, I want to capture this image. So what happened here? As we know that the image sensor inside this camera have an image sensor. This image sensor produces electrical outputs proportional to light intensity. Okay, so the energy or light energy reflected from the object means this whiteboard marker, the energy reflected from this whiteboard marker is first converted into the electronic signal by the image sensor, and that image sensor is inbuilt inside the mobile camera or any other digital cameras. Okay, so this is the first thing, optical images are converted into electronic signal. So to perform these operations, two actions are performed here. What are that actions? First one is sensation of energy radiated by the object which we wish to image, and the second operation is conversion of radiated by the object into digital form. So to perform these two operations, two basic elements are required to acquire a digital image. Okay, so to perform the first operation, we need a physical device that is sensitive to energy radiated by the object which we wish to capture or which we wish to image. Similarly, to perform the second operation, we also need a device which is used to convert the energy radiated by the object into the digital form, or which is used to convert the energy or the output of physical sensing device into digital form, and this device is called a digitizer. This device is called digitizer. Okay, along with this digitizer, if we add some hardware that can perform some primitive operations. Okay, let me erase first. Along with this digitizer plus hardware. Hardware means here ALU, that means which can perform some arithmetic and logic task. We will form a specialized hardware which is used for processing the image. This is called specialized image processing hardware. Digitizer plus hardware. What is the function of ALU here? ALU is used to averaging an image as quickly they are digitizing. Okay, this is the performance of ALU. So this is also known as first end subsystem. This is also known as first end subsystem. This unit performs digitizing and averaging the video image in a very fast manner. Okay, so it cannot be possible, or it cannot be handled by a single man computer, typical man computer. Okay, then we go for the computer. This is this term which is very much familiar with us. Computer is nothing, just a general purpose computer. That may be a supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, or any personal computer. Any well equipped PC based computer is suitable for processing of any digital image task. Okay. Next to the digital computer, we require some image processing software for processing of an image or processing of an digital image. In this image processing software module, we can develop some algorithms to process data which we can obtain from the image sensor, and this image processing software helps in processing the image data particularly. Okay, okay, this image processing software, it consists specialized modules to perform specific task. Next to this image processing software, we require mass storage, because if we want to store a high quality of image, then we should also have a higher space to save or to store that particular image which are developed after processing. Okay, so this is very important in our digital image processing system. Suppose we have an image of 1024 plus 1024 pixels, and each pixel have 8-bit quantity. So to store this image having this size, we require 1 megabyte of space. So space is very important. This module is very important. So next to the mass storage, we go to the image display section. In image displays, where image data are ready to display, this section displays the image mainly through the monitors. That may be LED, CRT, any kind of monitors. For this monitor, we can display the image in this module or in this component. Okay. Then we go to the hard copy. This is the last one. Hard copy is the outcomes provided by the image to be distributed. This hard copy includes, for which we can display we can get the outcome of the image. These are the, it may include laser printer, or these may include film cameras, heat sensitive device, inkjet unit, or digital unit such as CD-ROM, optical disc, etc. For this, we can get the outcome of the image which is used for distribution. Okay. So for more communication and for more distribution among the users, that may be end users, there should be a networks also available here. Networking is also available here for more communication and also for more communication and distribution. Okay. So it's all about the components of digital image processing system. Thank you all.